Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the free retriever sun head like this. The sun head that looks so cute like this. It's like a retriever dog. And to get this heads, actually it is pretty easy. You can get it from the puppy gacha machine over here. Just tap on club and then tap on puppy gacha machine, this one, and then in here you can do the gacha with this machine, and in here you can get this retriever sun head like this. Just tap on gacha draw and then just do the draw over here. But in here you need the multi gacha coins, that you can use these gacha coins to play the gacha on here machine. This one you can get this gacha coin from the completing quest over here like this, and then after you get the enough gacha coins, just do the gacha on this machine. And if you are lucky, you can get this retriever sun head. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.